So heavy duty. There's one major difference, and one difference that you wouldn't tell just sort of by looking at it. The small tell difference is the adhesive. It's a double coat rubber block adhesive or rubber resin adhesive. So it's 2 coats of adhesive, whereas if you had standard PS14, for example, the general purpose, that's a single coat of adhesive on the back of the tape. Heavy duty has a double coat adhesive, which is why it's tackier. Now, with the tape itself, the loop tape, this is a piece of general purpose PS14. The loop tape is the same. So there is not really any difference between the loop of the heavy duty and any other loop adhesive other than the adhesive on the back. However, the hook is completely different. So the hook tape, whereas a conventional hook and loop, this is woven, the loop is woven. So these are rows of hooks in just as woven tape. The heavy duty is a plastic extruded tape, and it has rows of hook, but not only are they made up of plastic, but they face both ways. So on a conventional woven hook tape, the hooks sort of all come up and sort of face the same way down the row of the tape. On the heavy duty extruded tape, the hooks come up, but they go both ways. So the very tip of the hook go both ways. So it has a good force no matter which way you're pulling against it. The closure is strong. So that's where the heavy duty comes from, is more in the hook tape. In any range of hook and loop, the strength comes really from the hook. The loop doesn't change. You either get a woven loop or you get a velour material which acts as the loop. Velours are very common when used with plastic, low profile plastic hooks. So the loop doesn't really change. The hook is where you get the strength from. So that's the difference between heavy duty and standard woven, is the hook is completely different. So there we have it. Heavy duty hook and loop versus standard woven hook and loop. The difference is in the hook.